At Howell Hardwood Flooring, we focus on producing precisely milled, pre-acclimated, and pre-sanded unfinished engineered flooring that is known for its dimensional stability and consistent grade. The pride we take in our production process is at the heart of our business. Here's a look at the production process that results in our precisely milled engineered flooring. The process begins by matching the faces and backs together in special stacks, and then acclimating them for 2 weeks prior to gluing and pressing. This allows the moisture content to equalize in a way that produces very stable engineered flooring. A special glue formula is used to ensure a lifetime bond that results in CARB-certified flooring. Our time-tested balanced construction is another key to producing flat panels. This virtually eliminates shrinkage or cupping due to seasonal humidity changes. Our pressing operation allows us to manufacture engineered panels for standard and special order wear layers, lengths, and thicknesses. All plies of our panels are hot pressed together in a single operation. This is another important step in producing very stable flooring that does not require job site acclimation. Our flexible sawing operation allows us to produce stock and custom-sized panels. The panels are sanded with 100 grit sandpaper, requiring only a light sanding on the job site. This saves the contractor time and money. At this final sawing operation, engineered panels are cut to standard or custom flooring widths. Diamond tooling is a key to our precisely milled tongue and groove construction. End matching completes the process for easy and quick installation. Each piece is inspected for imperfections. Certain grades allow color-matched puttying. When putty is used, each piece is given a final hand sanding. Bundles are strapped with approximately 85% full-length components. Shipment quantities can be in 50 bundle pallets or for a job-specific footage. Your order can be sent to your location or held at the LTL terminal for pickup. Same-day shipments are a Howell specialty. We all know the impact a beautiful sample can have on a customer. Take advantage of our quick, easy sample program and receive finished or unfinished samples via UPS. Howell Flooring. Let us show you the difference in quality.